Hello, I'm on a 2013 Ford E-350 Super Duty. I'm going to show you how to do open hood. So first, you go on the driver's side here. There should be a hood release lever that you pull. You kind of hear the pop. That was it releasing. This is what the back side of this part looks like. But yeah, it just slides right back in. I'll go up to the front. Most vehicles, there's like a lever somewhere around the middle that'll release. There it is. So I just pulled up, so the hood's now loose enough to get my hand in. And then you feel for that lever, which is right here on this. So from the emblem, it's here. So we're gonna push and then pull up. So push. That's it. So there's the hook where it hooks onto. This is the lever I was pushing. For some reason this part's still not working. Maybe the hood's not lined up straight or this part's off center. So you get that adjusted. Check for any possible debris in here. Maybe some WD-40 to loosen it up. That's it. Hope that was helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.